From the treetop, this is Dreamweaver, Bird's Eye View. The owl sees what others miss. Let's take a quick look at what the media is finally apologizing for and what maybe they're still hiding. First up, an ABC anchor named Benny Ray Harmony resigned after being suspended for honoring Charlie Kirk. Yes, a tribute. Nonpartisan, she said, yet pushed out anyway. And over on Long Island, Newsday published a horrible cartoon about Kirk's assassination. Blood-spattered chair, empty tent, all that. Outrage followed. They pulled it, then said sorry. But the damage, already done. Meanwhile, over at Fox and Friends, Brian Kilmeade said something no one with any conscience should utter, that mentally ill homeless folks should be killed. Then he apologized, claimed it was callous. Maybe it shows how normalized extreme ideas are becoming when someone says that kind of thing in casual conversation. Also, the Daily Beast had to retract a story claiming Melania Trump was involved with Epstein's circle via a modeling agent. Didn't meet editorial standards, they said. And Stephen King, yes, the horror author, falsely claimed Charlie Kirk advocated stoning gay people. Big claim. Turns out, no verified source. He backed off, apologized, but statements like that leave scars. So what's the through line here? The mainstream keeps pushing narratives, sensitive stories, one-side takes, but every once in a while, under pressure, when people call foul and when lips get loose, they have to eat crow. People are catching on. Maybe it's time for everyone to demand better. Less spin, more accountability. Truth from up here, from the treetop. That's today's Bird's Eye View. The owl's watching. Keep your wings ready, because the storms are coming. But so is clarity. Stay sharp.